How to screenshot on Chromebook. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to take screenshots on your Chromebook. Whether you need to capture your screen for work or school, I'll walk you through the different methods. Let's get started. First, let's use the keyboard shortcuts. To take a full screenshot, simply press Ctrl plus Show Windows key. The Show Windows key looks like a rectangle with two lines next to it, usually found in the top row of your keyboard. You'll see a notification that your screenshot has been taken. If you only want to capture a specific part of the screen, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Show Windows key. This will change your cursor to a crosshair. Click and drag to select the area you want to capture, then release the mouse button. Again, you'll see a notification confirming the screenshot. To access your screenshots, open the Files app on your Chromebook. Look for a folder named Downloads or Screenshots on the left sidebar. Here, you'll find all the screenshots you've taken, ready for you to view or share. If you're using a Chromebook with a stylus, you can also take screenshots by tapping the stylus button and selecting Capture Screen. This method allows you to easily annotate your screenshots right after taking them. And that's how to screenshot on a Chromebook. It's a simple process that can help you capture and share important information quickly. Thanks for watching.